3-Minute French Course 7. Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to this French course. On dit que le 7 est un numéro chanceux. Et en France, le chiffre 7 est parfois considéré comme un chiffre magique ou sacré. It is said that 7 is a lucky number, and in France, the number 7 is sometimes considered a magic number or sacred. Well, that might be going a bit too far, but I do think that Course 7 is a wonderful addition to the 3-Minute French series, although I am obviously biased since I wrote it. In this course, which contains lessons 54 to 62, we're going to be looking at lots of useful language features and further building our French vocabulary to enable us to speak in even more situations. What will I learn? To begin with, we'll be looking at more areas where French and English differ slightly, and why you can't always translate things word for word. The word d'où, for instance, is a new question word that we can use when we want to say where from in English. We're going to get quite a few new vocabulary expansion sheets in this course, which will give us the opportunity to add more description to our language. We'll learn the words dernier and prochain, as well as lots of new adverbs such as depuis, jusqu'à, and il y a. You'll learn another meaning for this phrase that we have met before. Course 7 comes with a new tense. We've looked at the present perfect tense in quite some detail now, so in this course we're going to move on and look at the present tense. As the name suggests, this tense will allow us to talk about what's happening in the present. We'll look at how to form the present tense for vous, using regular verbs, and then we'll have a look at the group of irregular verbs that do their own thing. We'll also look at another tense that is linked to the present tense, the imperative. The imperative is the grammatical term for commands, so you can use it to tell people what to do, or equally, what not to do. This is quite a simple tense to learn once you've got to grips with the present tense. So that's a little bit about what you'll be learning in this 7th course, but of course there's lots more, including new verbs, new adjectives and adverbs, talking about the calendar in French, and looking at some new structures, as well as revamping some old structures involving our friend est-ce que. I hope you enjoy.